The John Deere JX85 walk-behind mower was last in production about 20 odd years ago. So that's how old this thing is. It's not doing too bad apart from this year. I've just come to strike it up, and the throttle cable, if you look inside there, is bent and won't throw the throttle down anymore. In fact, it's nearly snapping off, look. Well, let's get that fixed. Couple of torque bolts and that thing's off, and this part's really simple. It's just got a bend in the end to thread through the lever. You can see the bend there, nearly broken.
Sometimes you'll get it wrong, sometimes you'll get it right. You'll never get it done though if you give up the fight.
Just a simple bend on the end of the solid wire, and you can see all the kinks in the sleeve, which won't be helping.
You know your choice of you is if you take this kind of vibe. The only thing I ask of you is like, comment, subscribe.
Well, that is just a cable that goes through a hole.
Sometimes you won't have time, sometimes you can't
Intentions
be
here,
out.
right?
It's just
Straighten the cable out a bit.
procrastination and you think it'll be alright.
A kink in here, look, and that's probably what stopped it from working. There's a bend in the cable on the inside of that. Right,
You know your choice
what I
of
intend to
you
do here
if you dig this kind of vibe.
is,
The only
can you see that?
thing I ask of you
Put a bit of white paper under it,
subscribe.
like that. There you can see it. And chop the wire. Seems a bit brutal, but there you go.
I don't care if
There you go,
you've got
chop the wire.
skills. I don't care if you are bright.
Throw that bit in the bin. Oh no, because we want to keep that for a pattern to make that S on the end of it. Make sure we do it right. And I'm going to pull on the other end, preferably with a pair of pliers or something, so you don't hurt your little pinkies. Okay, we'll give that a pull. That's why it wasn't working right, it's got stuck inside. I hope this can come free. No, it can't. Let's try and bend conduit straight again. Will it pull this way? Will it pull this way? It will. And I don't want it to come this way, I want it to come out that way. The next question is, can we? That's where the problems come from, it's squashed. So, I don't know whether you can see me, where are you? There. I'm just trying to pull, there we go, pull the wire out. And for a so a new one of them cables, and the only difference with that and just a normal conduit cable is that it's got this end on it here. I could 3D print one of them if I needed one, but I don't. We've taken the cable out and we've got a few squished bits, and that's why the cable was struggling to go through. As you can see there, it's been squished with holding it on, so I'm going to round that off and put the new cable in and save ourselves 30 quid. I've got far too much here that costs £4, so I'm going to fix the job. Instead of being £30 plus VAT, it's going to be done for £4 and hardly any extra work. As you can see here, where it's been squashed, there was no chance of that wire going through there nice and smoothly, so we need to round it off. I find myself a nice hard flat surface like this anvil here and a big hammer to tap gently and get the sleeve round again so that the cable can run through freely. There you go, nice and straight again. Lovely job, Chris. Look at that, the squash part's pretty much round now.
Well, when I'm good, I'm very
Job
good.
done.
But when I'm bad, I'm better.
I'm basically getting hold of anything here to shove down the pipe and clean it out as much as possible, because it's bound to have picked up some dirt along the way. And then oil. This should help the cable slide in and out nicely. Doesn't need much. There we go. Grab a pair of mole grips just to make the S shape at the end. A pair of long nose pliers, and just twist it around and hammer it in. Makes a nice right angle. Move the mole grips down, self grips, whatever you want to call them, and bend it the other way. Nothing technical at all. There you go, S. Let's get it fitted. Push it in the hole of the throttle. Clamp it down, not too tight, because we don't want it squished again. I don't want it to be in there. Take that out. Put that there. Into there. And put that into there. There. And let me get this one. And where we'll put it on. Thread that into Yep.